boiler I put in geez, 2000. Wow. I'm getting old. Anyway, he's complaining every once in a while the relief valve pops. And you can hear it. It's full. The Extrol tank, which is the expansion tank. So you get to see me fumble around and get soaking wet doing this. Here's what the inside of the tank looks like. You have the air on the bottom and a rubber bladder. When the water expands, it compresses the bladder and compresses the air. And it'll oscillate with the different temperatures. Alright, first thing is to shut the water off. Go into the boiler. Prep your tank for installation. Be generous with the dope. Shut any high vents so you can draw vacuum. There's one here. There's one here. One here. Okay. Now, I'm going to change the relief valve anyway, so I'll just let the pressure off. Wait till this way you don't have to screw it in the valve. He's got a subwoofer here. As you can tell, to relieve the 15 pounds, it didn't have much water in it, so that means the tank is popped. Alright. Let's see if I can do this without having to break it. Nope. There it goes. That was in there. This one. This one. So you're going to see it's full. You're going to get soaked. I know it. told you I was going to get soaked. There it goes. Oh, the top fan. Listen to it. Quick little there. Ooh, still hot. Pissed out. Nice. Is it all done? Come on, wait for the shake. the air. Make sure, because I'll be back with no heat tonight. That's better. These new ones have an indicator now. It shows, it has a little piece of black ink in it, so if the water gets in there, it turns it black. But as you can see, that's the way they should sound, empty, because the water is just up here at the top, compressing the air. Alright, everything else is on. Okay, the Extrol is all set, and I'm going home. This is where I live, on the beach. Beautiful West Haven, Connecticut. There's Sabin Rock right there. It's just a big hunk of rock. Back in the late 1800s, all the way up into the 60s, this was all an amusement park. It's called Sabin Rock Amusement Park. Look it up. Now, you need 1,400 permits to even pitch a tent out on that grass. Whereas they had a racetrack right where that field is for cars, and then they said, why don't we have boat races? And they just dug a giant hole and filled it with water. Could you imagine what the Army Corps of Engineers would say today about that? Anyway, alright, I'm almost home. I'll see you guys Monday.